Do you want to grow your business by video promotion? Are you looking for premium quality video services and reliable provider? If that is what you are after, you are right at the track. So, think of the following video types. Sales videos, where you can promote your sales offers on your online or physical stores. Brand building videos, where you promote your brand or company. Influencer videos to get more followers, likes and subscribers. Content videos. These are videos where you can provide valuable information or education to your customers. Videos are the most effective and successful medium of promotion. Video can convey a clearer message to your target audience. Audience can have more knowledge about your brand or company and the services you are offering by viewing the scene, hearing the voice and reading the text. No doubt that videos grab your audience attention in more entertaining ways. Its ability to stick deep into hearts of your audience is superior. That is why ElrohiVision is committed to help you achieve your goals. Look, our recent project delivered to our client.
Are you looking for a reliable supplier of vehicle spare parts? Are you after a company that serves its customers diligently from the bottom of heart? Then you are in the right place. On Time Commercial Limited is here to help you and fulfill all your requirements. We are UK-based company specialising in supplying quality vehicles and vehicle parts. We are a team of trained and experienced dealers who know well the industry and leverage this to our valued customers. Visit our website and get in touch. www.ontimecommercial.co.uk or email us mm@ontimecommercial.co.uk or call us +44 7903 723692. We will get back to you shortly.
Oh yeah. We deliver what we promise. Just get in touch. Visit our website. We will get back to you in no time. Thanks.